first of all, this is our source, which is a AC source. Uh, to set the source, we set our frequency into 50 Hz, and our peak value is 8 volt. So our peak to peak is 16. So you can see it from here. That's all for our source. Thank you. Okay, this is our circuit loop light. As you can see, this is our first loop, second loop, and third loop. And this is our source supply from the generator.
So now we want to find our voltage drop at the resistor, which is 10 ohm, and this is our waveform that we get from 10 ohm resistor. And this is, we can see that this is our voltage peak to peak, this is our voltage max from here to here, and our voltage min from here to here. Now we want to find our current at 10 ohm resistor, and this is our reading. It's not constant because we use AC source. Now we want to find our voltage drop at inductor 1.2 millihenry, and this is our waveform that we get. So our voltage peak to peak is 1.5 V volt, and this is our voltage max, and this is our voltage min. So this is our wave that we get. For this, we want to find our current at inductor 1.2 millihenry, and this is our reading.
Now we are going to find the voltage drop at the capacitor, which is 47 microfarad. Okay, so this is our capacitor waveform look like, which is if you can see, the peak to peak is 520 millivolt, and the peak value is 264 millivolt. For the capacitor, now we need to find the current that go through to the capacitor. Okay, if you can see, the multimeter reading is a 0 because the current value is too small to detect the current flow at the capacitor. Okay, for now we will going to find our voltage drop at 1 ohm resistor. So this is our waveform look like at the resistor 1 ohm. You can see the frequency, if you can see, the voltage peak to peak is 146 millivolt, and the peak value for the resistor 1 ohm is 74 millivolt. Okay, now for the current flow at the resistor 1 ohm, as you can see, this is our reading for resistor 1 ohm for the current flow.
This is our last resistor, which is 390 ohm, and this is our waveform that we get from 390 ohm resistor. So you can see that voltage peak to peak is 282.8 volt, and the max volt is 1.44, and min is negative 1.36 volt. So, and this is our wave that we get. For this, we want to find our current at 390 ohm, and this is our reading that we get.
Assalamualaikum. Today I will present about voltage drop for each component in the circuit and its sine wave. So for voltage drop for each component, which is R1, inductor 1, capacitor 1, R2 and R3. So I will run this circuit to show the voltage drop for each component. This is for voltage drop for R1, which is 5.14, and R2 is 0.54, R3 is 0.51, inductor 1 is 0.20, and capacitor is 0.51. So for sine wave for each component, I will show. So this is the sine wave for capacitor. This is for R R3. This is sine wave for R3, which is here, and this is this. So this is for sine wave for component R2, and this is the sine wave for inductor. So for R1, the sine wave is here. Yeah, this is the sine wave for R1. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, today I will present about current flow into each component. So we start run. Okay, in R1 we get this current 514 milliampere. So in this current flow in inductor L1 we get this 513 milliampere. In capacitor we get 7.67 milliampere. In current flow in R2 we get 1.39 milliampere, and last R3 we get 513 milliampere.